Falmouth in the bastion of the People's National Party. And I am telling you, Goody, I am telling you, Tova Hamilton stamping class over Falmouth College yesterday. People, more than 500 people inside of the place and people still outside in a PNP division, Kademoni division. See, today. Tova looked damn good yesterday. Very impressive conference over there in Trelawney. And a peer woman goodie. When you hear about woman at Tova conference, you know, brother, just walk with the Campari cup. And young people, and them a beat the NSC. For a divisional conference, may I tell you, for a divisional conference yesterday, it is mightily impressive by the Member of Parliament. It is mightily impressive. And may I tell you, it's when she get up to talk, our people them, Tova people them, and then listen, one Tova could have never two. Dr. Wickham McNeil, why you never stay in a retirement? Boy, it's a double trouble.
I really Tova all reject McNeil and try to run again. Nah, no sense. All this are germs. Hey, me say PNP then come like some ticks in a callback. As morning light.
They don't know the time of day nor hours.
This is about it for about Maya, and you have somebody who get up every day company internet come back taps and roads, let them influence you. You come to about Andrew go suck camera and come after this. Info sorry for battle for your life, so yeah, man.
Then there's something me feed off. I continue.
Oh dog shit. Me from Mesa, man.
Me say, Goody, last night the journey was worth it. Tova could have never two. One Tova last night. One Tova, one Trelawney. And I'm telling you, Labour Party stick off that in the West. They're not getting back Trelawney.
Me hear all back Diego on live I talk about a 53 seat them are going to win and them need to have 2/3 majority so them can do what them want to do.
Like David, it's still on
yeah, no, it's what. So then
Diego more full of shit like baby leap out pampas in their mouth. Morning Dujan, morning Mr.
Diego say them are going to win 53 seats.
Diego mouth, if Mrs. So, tell me nice goodie. You tell me nice. Diego mouth full of shit like you need a baby, you need to put one baby and the whole shit out that pampas leak out in their face. Mrs. So.
Good morning, my boss. Good morning, Sister Goody.
Morning.
Breaking news, boss. Good morning. Sexy Lexi. Good morning.
Morning,
Kevin Camber. Good morning. We never get to go live this morning because we have some business we do on the road. I know they are tomorrow, isn't it?
Yes, man. Because I guess I find out say never go live. Because when you come, I don't see live. I see you now go live again. And you make me travel from Timbuktu. We got Timbuktu last night over Hamilton there. Good morning, good morning.
Is that good look, you know?
Great affair, man.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning,
That's what I asked now. That's what I asked now. They're ready, you know, so them ready?
Yes, thanks. That's what happened, info when you believe in prayer and you have faith.
That's it. Respect, master.
Weird, no, this man na election.
What time was the result?
If you go down there, but me I tell you, where cash is concerned, me broke man, for a 4 days straight, me I do road people. They can't do it no more. They run out. We have 4 days straight, me I do it. If me go this man, I want $20,000. Me can make them go from it. No normal.
Yeah, let's start drink Campari, because Campari expensive, isn't it?
Hey, look here, man. Already politics done, you know.
Info, you have to stop drinking Campari for you and start drinking some ginger and anything.
I remember boss Campari, boss man can't function without Campari. You send in the Campari money.
You know, look pound, well, I want to stop drinking Campari, mad. Hey, the speech of the mayor of Montego Bay The
Oh,
youngest
yes.
leader in the Western Hemisphere, young Richard Vernon, is something to watch and
Yes.
listen, watch and listen, watch and listen. Young Vernon, never to. Young one, Richard Vernon. The young man was
Power pack that
mature.
man.
The young Richard Vernon last night, I think he took the stage and he performed like a real Jamaican who concerned about the society. And I am telling you, young Vernon going places. We don't need no artist around the national stadium when we have a conference over the next month. We don't need it.
Morning, everybody. Northwest Center.
Morning, Kevin Campbell.
Northwest Center and representing. Crystal Lee Straight.
Yes, man, I'm a boss, that man. I'm a boss, that man. You can't tell about my boss, Kevin. I was supposed to be in Brownstone last night at a football night football. I'm a boss, that is one caller.
Man,
Am I boss, that, Kevin?
I really want that, man.
Me say I down to earth.
I really want that, man.
Mute your mic, Richard Palmer.
Nah, send for you and see how them share Mark goal. You look like you still go the speech, man. I see him post it.
So what
I can go the speech.
you can when you come over here with the mix up. I mean, and it's a Sunday morning, a mix up, man. Dujan, where you
But
come
man,
over
going
here?
on no shame, Dujan.
Listen,
Is the man has no shame?
The blue barrel laugh.
Me say, man, stop short. I say, Mark Golden killing wife. No, honestly, the man stop short of saying that in a speech. You know, look at the man stop short and say, look, I'm going to kill you.
But info, if anybody will listen, that it basically I say.
But it basically
Satan can't blame me. Not
same
no
man did a
shame.
heartbreak.
Info.
You
You never
can
drive out and I jump off. See?
Dujan, take your time for the road, Dujan, me have to call you here.
Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah, cool.
Info.
Yeah.
Mark Golden, do you speech before the man talk?
You have to run Ghana Westmoreland.
You know, I think his speech, I think a phenomenal woman.
No, I said he talked. He went to do the speech at the funeral before the husband talk. The husband talk after the funeral was about to over.
So the husband set them up, but then sit down comfortable.
And I said he set them up. How the program set up? Are they sitting there, the final remark the man talk, you know. Are they gonna see Denton Campbell face?
Him a do one him shame, you know.
The whole of them shame. The whole of them shame.
Mark did have a look of smirk on him face.
A shame smirk him put up.
But Dayton him did shame. Well, me not feel like say Mark did feel shame. Mark just know say him just take it. Mama tell you how I feel like him take it. Him take it with a comeback. Him no film plan for comeback. Me nah say him nah go feel shame. But me I tell you, the man they have something in store for later.
What can I come back? He can't come. What am I gonna do? He can't do man husband nothing. Two man done that already. Then he can't do no more. Then he just shoot out two man and kill him.
I never said that.
Are the same thing them doing in Hanover, you know?
Remember, him love tell lie. And that no, him love tell lie.
And at the same way them attack Benisha when she came over. As a matter of fact, at the same time, the problem she did not go under why she keep switch. I kind of motivate her to do that. At the same thing, them try to do to Lisa, you know. We tell us that these people are violent, vicious, and brutal.
Lisa know what they want to do, man. That's why Lisa jump out of them.
Yeah, because, of course she knows she that tear her apart. But what me call for session, because I'm going to be very
Well,
brief.
Lisa that jump out, she's not sleeping, Kennedy.
No, I'm going to be very brief. So, Mr. Golden, you install some people in the IC paying big money because, you know, as I always tell you, PMP people, you must be careful what you do because people know people and people can get information even more than you. But anyway, they install them and them in the IC and you get your work done and you get desperate because you find out say you set up the planet now work that way there. So you start to pressure people and put on more money. So that is the news. So it's only a gang of news, man. So when you plan for the now, when you plan for use them, the man never put the news on and joke. And
Well,
put the end of the rope in a mark and.
What do you mean by that? Well, what do you mean by that, Philippe? Come to the box, go and tell me. Be careful, PMP are watching me.
Right, so no make the news. Put in a IC. And then you put the end of the rope in a mark and for him go and pull it. Because you see the press conference when you come out, you see the look on his face when he do the press conference. You like him definitely know and him know what go on and everything. Big money pay night. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, man. All of your henchmen and whoever they around you. You see all of the hands and we roll the rope for Andrew neck. A chop. And ungle hand I go get chop off, you know. Head and foot I go get chop off, you know. Remember me telling you that. And there's a vicious and brutal set of people. When there's a murderer. Remember say the trail baby from Kingston after him come for him when they not pay him. When they trail him from Kingston and murder him, you know. You think if you forget on the history, I only think that people don't know where I'm going. I hold back till the time my boss tell me say ready for campaign. When I go see a new different brand of labor, right? Remember me to tell you that. Anyway, guys, take care. Morning.
All right, thanks.
Philippian, now what do you this morning? Who came about Granville? Who busy about Granville Valentine?
Look at
Could have Granville Valentine or Mark Gold, we give you a shit. Could have watched him come over. Granville Valentine, I don't know who he is. Mark Gold and say he's a thief and a wicked and a serpent. And he will never get that spot where I work for a hero circle. He now bury up there. So he try to go look for his spot over me place to make it for now. Because I hit him I work for. And he now go over hero circle. Right? Or in England go look at burial spot. Moving bomber clat and go for rest of.
Morning, guys.
Morning,
I was reliably informed that SSL gonna be paying out the money to the 200 depositors that them rob up their money. So the nasty nigga them we are talking about 100 thief bought money. What is their response now?
But to my best of my knowledge, they never have any respond. To the best of my knowledge, they never have any response to the best of my knowledge. They did have respond? Let me ask.
Not that I'm aware of, but
Good morning.
my baby done been here already.
Not good. Oh, that's so sad. So info.
Go ahead.
You know, see the video with the tire them about on the road. Angela Brownberg constituency. People them want road.
They want to ride on there?
They want road. That them say.
Who for constituency tire one again?
Angela Brownberg.
Matilda.
Nathaniel, come out and say Matilda.
Matilda.
Well, info, you know see the video?
So then just a wake up. So everybody then asleep all along.
Look, so Nathaniel. Everybody that sleep all along. They never say road did want to fix.
Oh, then just see the light. Come here, them just see the light.
Somebody say Matilda Burke. So info, you not see it for true?
No, Sam, I don't see it.
No man, info. You have two phones. Don't go up on my page and looking at where my post so you see it.
I'm going to go look through them.
I'm a repost then. Look at you see it. Because I repost it and then I do a video with it. People them just wake up and as say the road want fix.
Them are one different species, you know, because if them living on something for 50 a day, I know what to say, wow.
But it's not just the people them at the constituency alone. Look on all the taxi man them around the road. Them a pay taxpayers money. And them no go report and them a come talk about them a fear buy how much shock, so much tire car, whole a chop out tire. The apple laugh, the one you sweet me.
Then the constituency money when Martin they are collect you all of them they got in your pocket. Nothing to your feet.
Exactly, Nathaniel. I say she get more pay than the Prime Minister, you know. When I see the video, I hear people that talk about Andrew this and Andrew that. I say, I stop calling PM name. I say, why am I to the MP we want to vote in for years? Because I hear she have the constituency for. I hear the road look so, and I just know. Why? Uno, no call pan she make she get the money for fix it and she not fix it. Tell her if you take back every single dollar out her pocket and fix the place. They've been venting for years to have that road fixed. And it not fixed yet. And them keep on a voter in back. That don't make no sense.
I did have vent to 5 years to get the road fixed. I don't know what's new.
You saw life go in for. More you see it, you know. When PMP in a power, them have been 3 years till the road fix and road can't fix, you know. And all of a sudden now when JLP in a power, them want to come bun tire and all of these things. Tired of uno. Only look at Andrew name. Tired of uno.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning,
Yes,
from the
I
morning,
speech them last night in speech
Phenomenal, back your mic.
Yeah, me I said me read the speech last night up at Trelawney.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, tell us, say, Colin Virgo, Mark too foolish, me not lie you. So till anybody a pass that thing come at me, I'm about to me a laugh with. When Colin Virgo I give speech and I'm Marky G. Just me. Thing did nice, man. I told over seat, man. No Dr. McNeil can come claim that they seat eh. And he'll have to go back up and go one side. Alright, me not have a problem with people black road for things that they really want, you know. However, I think it would be best if then just orchestrate a plan and then just take up all the hand cat them from downtown Kingston and go block your road. Trust me. That them should have done. Because look how much here that man I represent them. What has she do? She not do nothing to them. And then constantly I vote them in. And I talk about time up. Me only hope so they realize and understand so them people you know mean them no good.
Listen, woman, let me tell you something. Anything where she get, she take. You see that bun tire in the road something there? I go see if the road not go fix now. It's serious. I'm gonna wrong them. It's serious. But more want to see if the damn idiot them really go vote back for she. And that me want to see. Me always talk it, you know.
Past stage, go look, man.
Yeah, have a
And then
citizen
you stop, wrong
and
stop.
is not work. He or she is not working for the community. Move them up. Uno have the power. Uno put them there. Move them up. Once them not work, move them up. Vote them out. From once them not work, move them up. Vote them out. You know which part for go, you know which part PMP headquarters there, you know which part JLP headquarters there. You go send a letter them, you make you email them, you go up there, go protest, and you tell them say them now what me want them move, cause them not working.
So ironic, no way. We still can't come to terms how people them literally give praises to people them when I do nothing and the people them we are work. It's like they not show them no form of gratitude all in their name because he is not a part of that party. And not just a PNP stay. I mean I know why they stay so. It's them a type in a group so she not lose, they not have no ambition. None whatsoever.
Talk it all the time. Talk it all the time. You have a MP not working. You have a councillor not working. Please go and tell the people them who is their boss. Yo, some money not work, you know. Some money not work, you know. And me I pay my tax them, you know. And a whole heap of little things want fix in my community, you know. Them not work. Move them up. Move them up.
Back down to the hands out, you know. Them now do nothing for the constituency or division to benefit from it. But who can get things to pocket, then godly appreciate it.
No, but if what I know, no, the years worth of hands up with them claim to say them have now. Them get. It now benefit you. Because guess why? You come now, you bun tire. You want a road. I mean, I tell you, say that road stays for years now. And I just know something. And since JLP they in a power make the road stay so. Years the road stay so. Years. No know where you come talk about if you know.
You see, you the great one, you look like you want a life such as in a fear jar corner, but none of the so. So find the next step where you can find that.
No know where you come talk about leadership at thief money. Every constituency got money to fix their constituency. Every MP get money to fix, for do minor and major projects within their constituency. I don't know where you come about. That depend JIS, that depend news. It in a newspaper, it is everywhere. Every constituency MP get money fix, do minor and major projects in their community.
Time we show up what if. Just give them breeze. We don't know wait for we soon get it. When we see who a thief from who a thief. Talk about say tell who to fix one, tell who not to fix one. Me sure no say Montague no response to whole of St. Mary. And 3/4 parishes them have road problem at PNP.
But I don't know where my talk, I don't know where he and she talk about Bobby work. I don't know where he or she talk about Bobby does work. It may complacent in some cases, but Bobby work. Me know that for a fact. A Western St. Mary, my people them come from Bobby work.
You know where the great whoever you want be one PNP live go highlight. We don't need you to tell we.
Anybody here talk them something them on a PNP them nothing never go and feel PNP them, you know? So it go and feel labor right them. And not never go and feel the PNP.
PNP say that's why I can't like them. But they not support the Labour Party government, never do nothing yet. But they can at least give show a little gratitude for. I saw the Dutch nigga they still. They call themselves CNP.
True. Me can know say female prime minister do things to me for what they have me have surgery for do. And me know say me get 197,000 for carry on my surgery. So me know say me get things and me know what is what, and then make certain things available for everybody.
Make it available for just labor, right? Exactly, it did it for every Jamaican.
Every Jamaican.
Once is a Jamaican citizen benefit, did it for you?
Yeah. And me can big up my Prime Minister upon that, and me can love my Prime Minister. Anything them I say to ask for the Prime Minister, and more the people them get to love him more than more. Yeah? More than love him, more. Yeah, then love him, and me have a facts, me can tell you that. Right now, in a female community right now, I did PNP strong and from Xavier, I mean, take over here, so he work with the JLP, and he work with NOP, he work with everybody. He work with everybody, and I tell us when I saw it stagnant, man. Every young people who not depend for America now, they in a job. I could send back themselves for art, and they do all type of sitting. So we can big up the Prime Minister for everything what them do right now. Yeah?
Enough of them we are talking, enough of them we are talking, they can't read. They not get no understanding, and even if they hear it, they can't comprehend. Because their head thick and full of shit like a crab. So they cannot comprehend. So nothing when they hear say government do is like they can't see it. And that's a them problem.
They will never see it. I mean, also in a period time, under 18 years. Right now, what this man do under 8 years. He come like a 18-year in there. For how much hospital I build right now, when we can say yes, it never happened. Much project I want right now. We have to give thanks for this man. Why we want to bring him down? Why? Huh? Why we don't
in my 40 odd years, when me have understanding, me never see so much development happening in Jamaica. Never. So me don't know what PNP a chat about. Morning.
Good morning. You see the same, let's see, you see the same area they saw the fire burn on the road? In 2016, that same road there, when I come to Jamaica, the car with me that drive, dropping at the pothole. I have to go get the tire change. Yeah, from 2016.
Then that me I try to
hold them in the road. Yeah, me I tell you, when I watch the video where you send me,
yeah,
me I say, alright, the song. There was a hole on the car dropping at the pothole right there, so. But I forget the tire change. Same day.
Listen me, my other people say them people call my phone and say, you know, someone just drive from Walton Park Road and I'm dropping on pothole to the pothole deep and wide. Listen me.
Yeah.
Me feel like say I exaggerate. My friend did that exaggerate when he call me and tell me. It bust the tire and bend the man rims. You know how much money that?
Yeah. Alright.
You know how much money that?
And it's supposed to get bigger.
And that from you was sure I say 2016, I mean I tell you said they patrol another road there from before because my niece them go to school on that route. Every morning me used to take that way for go work. Every morning my niece them go to school. That is a problem. Never ending traffic because the road is a riverbed.
Yeah.
And for such a rural road, you know everybody use the road there. From half of Ugly Park Road for come back down past Spanish Town Road. It shouldn't be what she do, what she sit down in a parliament to beat Dex fan, she have her constituency for go fix.
You know, so Portia sister living at the area.
I
You know,
know.
so Portia sister living at the area when everybody else don't have no water, she have water.
Sure, me tell us truth. Me tell you something.
And
You know,
from Gilbert, them have water problem in that area there.
listen, me tell you something. Sure. Right now, you call a name and it an edge my teeth. That gonna make my head hurt me. Me not really want.
It not no sense, Lexi. You know if you know the area, you know, so the people them not make the connection with them MP, them only run when them you say them a come, everybody you say Portia come, them run to go meet them and see them and they don't ask me nothing. You know how them people let's stay. Me know how them stay.
Me know how them
Still I
stay.
use drop straight. Yesterday still I use drop straight in the constituency there.
The people them backwards, me tell them no make no connection with them MP, them nothing. Them only just want to give them a look under. Them not say the road bad. Say you know the MP will fix it. No. Shouldn't Angela Brown Burke or Portia bring Angela Brown Burke and the people and them just take it off Portia bring her.
No, but that's the thing now because
Yeah, and as an MP, you're supposed to know how your constituency look because you're past there.
no, cause she not go there.
Them no care. She don't go there, she don't really go there. She don't care. War are going right now, them burn down house and all them something there. Round there.
You know, so I believe you know, cause then people really stupid, so man.
You see me? You see me?
And people them not seen. Come here and tell you, them not seen.
Phenomenal woman, you see me? I don't need to tell life on certain things. Certain things I don't need to tell life on. You see the constituency there? Them bathing water reach Palm Road. Listen me. And I just know why years them something of them here talk about. Years them have proper school.
So me see one video good while now in a couple of years now, you know, when they win a highlight, when the Portia running them a highlight the constituency, you know, and me I said, God Almighty. Then in a them time and a years now, in a them time people really still are living in a situation here.
Yeah,
but
them
me
no
not,
want
the things that I make little changes, man.
No,
I
but
go
she
make
give them
research so they
tile
still I use for tile it.
Portia give them tile it and them sell it.
Yeah, love it real gutter politics. Crab in a barrel style that.
Yeah, them not care. Them not really care. Them just want to know say I feed them MP. Whoever them say, them not want nothing else. Just run behind the motorcade.
No, but it is unfair. It is unfair because you have a sitting MP where una run up and down behind her, una ever put back in the seat. And when things go bad like how now, una bun tire in a road, una call for Andrew.
Them a vote her in again.
Una call for Andrew.
Them a vote in Angela Brown Burke. Them can't see themselves and do nothing else. Cause even me post on my page, one of our big supporter them, I try to give me a hard time because me say me not care who you want to vote for. She tell me say PMP for life. Me say me not care your prerogative that me know who me want to vote for. Me not live down there no more. Me have family down there. My family, them a go vote PMP. That are them. Cause them not know no better. Them can't do nothing else.
As a representative, how many people them not ask certain things? It is a part of your duty to ensure so you give them. You give them all they
money them want. Understand is what you're not getting to understand is this woman, she does not care. She don't even go to the constituency. She check for see nothing. She just in a parliament to be damn decks.
Yep. She have our people in panic ground to tell her.
It's when 3 Mile when Andrea build a bridge build overhead bridge down a 3 Mile. Waltham Park they get the road fixed, you know. But you see up that side up on Angela Burke side, I don't think up there they fixed, you know. But Waltham Park they get them road fixed when time 3 Mile they get them road paved off. Yeah? And the road, if you see about the road now, you wonder the road did fix.
tell you
I
something.
mean, ask somebody about that. Tell me know that for a fact.
Let me tell you something. Me in my 30s are going on my 40s. And my family come from Kingston. I remember when me used to their town and come down Walton Park Road. However, number 11 me used to take and come downtown. I'm not tell you no lie. There's some used to first. Me never come from downtown. But me have people in downtown. So me used to live from uptown go downtown. And when me take the journey, so me know about hard life, Walton Park. It's up to this day, me not forget the cemetery, Chinese cemetery. People
live over there.
People living nice. Me, remember, me come from the city, you know. Me come from the city. So you know, say it was shocking to me if you see people living in a cemetery. To this day, me I talk to you right now. Me I go back to the time I sit down at the bus and see people live over the cemetery. To turn to my granny and ask her if I really live, people live in here. She say yes. People live
Yeah, they're moving.
And all of them something in the cemetery.
Yeah.
In the
And
past.
you see all the cemetery them when they were built with house, the one them they will look like house. Them living it. And for years, that constituency. Every time I pass through when I election, nobody know. I used to read. When me did younger, I read them used to use. Red pen for used to use. They read up everywhere. Red yes so. Until I start to them use orange. They don't know nothing else but PNP. Them MP and PNP, then councillor PNP. So all in they are chatting and go on. They not have no, as a matter of fact, KSAMC control. Even though it's share, it controlled by PNP. All of them problems should have fixed. All of them. You have some council will just come and start fix road already. Warm to this so. Them the people not supposed to have black no road. But Angela Brownberg can do with fear money where she get a year time. Where she had with her constituency development fund money then.
Alright, Renz. Me I tell people about and them people are coming and put up them something you know and a babo and commenting about Anthony for this and Anthony for that. We not call him name. Don't call him name. No one no call him name cause we no go better go find Matilda we want to vote for too much years.
They have spark
Every MP, whether you're PNP or you're JLP, fund allocated for your constituency.
They have spark project that come up. Yeah, spark project that come up. When me when she have meeting with them for they agree to which road them are go fix.
Which meeting?
Well, and then
Hey, you know say yesterday me a pass through on a live and hear a girl over there talk and say, oh, a one something that you can do. One you can only go one they only give you one free course. I say, why this girl I tell them on the live I tell lie. Well a four level you can go. Sorry, level must say.
Oh,
one level alone you get free. I mean I say what a girl I talk about.
What about heart?
Huh?
Height.
I say
From 1 to 4.
From 1 to 4 that me know cause that me hear. I that me see art of force. Cause my cousin work at art she tell me because me that go do ear and nails and she say I must come 1 to 4 level 3.
You see PNP go for the people and when they think for themselves and read and people are not.
And I want to tell you the funniest thing, a jungle Rima she come from.
So you there. So you expect better? But me tell everybody upon the live. You see if an MP can help you, then can help you. Dr. Dana Dixon say every MP is supposed to give at least 10% per year towards hearts. At least 10 young money out of the constituency supposed to go to hearts. Why make we have too much uneducated people? Look, and you can't know the difference in the constituency. Them you know who run it from who not run it. You know, compare JLP garrison them to PNP garrison. Compare. As a matter of fact, JLP now have no IPA garrison.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Yeah, man, Roland again. I was watching the live yesterday with the Falmouth constituency. I'm really proud of that member of parliament. I usually live in Falmouth for about 1 year and 8
Yes, so
months.
Victor right, safe ground.
One year and eight months. And what I get from the PMP supporters in that area, if them put a dog down there and label it as a PMP, they will vote for them. But listening,
Did it actually say it one at a time?
no, they say it. They say it with their own mouth. I heard PMP supporters say it. If they put a dog with PMP on it, then nobody cannot win down there, so because of PMP. But I'm happy that we changed. There was a paradigm shift when the labor rights go there. And when Topher read out her profile and mention what she have done, no MP have never done that for Northern Trelawney.
And she is the 17 MP and the only female.
None of
And me I
them.
say 4 years and I look at the achievement where woman go there and put in place.
When Bruce was in power, I will never forget. I was one of 25 young people that they employed, and they had us doing community facilitator, where we go into the communities to get information. At the time, they were building the pier. The pier was built on a labor right government, start and finish on a labor right government. And the people in that area said not going to benefit them. And I live to see when that pier opened, the amount of somebody will want to go up on that pier for work and sell. It was an embarrassment to the point where, I know if you listen to Dr. Harris mention about the harassment of the tourists, it was the very citizens who didn't want the project and believe in the project were the one forcing themselves for the tourists them to support their business. Some get the bad mind take place. So
HUI is not that, and we have to be frank. It's when
Right.
it comes to PNP supporters, most of them don't understand. And they put a lot of faith into their MP. And let's be frank.
That don't do nothing.
And yes, when I run down there, rule down there, anything he say goes. If Victor Wright tell him say no peer enough a bill there, and it no make no sense, and it now whatever, they might go echo the sentiment. And we see it now even in modern day politics. Anything when PNP say, they run up and down with.
Right.
The PNP, all of a sudden, the IC report is dominant and so forth. When people start read it, the first match about 28 accounts. We see one at about 70 million in one of the account, them 70 million USD in one of the. I say, Mama, have common sense. 28 accounts. I mean, no, in a report, no mention him having 28 accounts, but them said that PNP said that. All of a sudden, the report is now an interim report because everybody realized that IC do a work at whole heap of for green night. So anything they tell them run with it. Anything.
But Golden had a plan because I remember.
I remember when he was back, he wanted to develop Falmouth. And if you look for Falmouth for some long time out, Falmouth no reach nowhere. Falmouth are centuries old.
The Labour government, I'm telling you for fact, and it's something that I had a job to do. They had a development plan for Falmouth. And when Portia took over after Bruce stepped down, the development plan was halted. It's when the Labour came back in 2016. All of the fast food restaurants, all of the Chinese investors start coming back into Falmouth. The market was to move from a particular location. It was called a dump area. You think Falmouth is in its best glory right now? Falmouth is in its best glory. It was like a dump city, like a garbage area.
You know the road right after you pass the police station right there, so? The road where look how terrible that road is. And for years the people in Falmouth has worked for PNP.
Yeah.
Road them the road they are parish council road, which means that the council are responsible for it. And I kill them for even fling little dirty night.
For years, the tax office the government rented the tax office. The tax office was hosted at a church hall. The Baptist church hall, that's where the tax office was for years. Labour came in and built a brand new tax office for that area. brand new tax office in that area. The police station that they have now, that was finished under Bruce Golding. The hospital, as we speak, the hospital are get upgrade right now. And there's a reason why they have to upgrade the hospital, because of the cruise shipping industry. Because they have to upgrade the hospital for that the purpose.
Years.
Progress. Moment something go on with progressive in our country, PNPs try to sabotage in all way possible. And because of that right now, I can see them in the Prime Minister case. So because they see great job with Prime Minister done, and then you can call panic.
Listen, phenomenon. I wouldn't tell them this is how they work. Remember, I know everybody used to welcome road, everybody used to welcome the hospital being built and so forth. But when PNP come out and start cuss the road can't eat, me not forget the woman on the pan TV argue, road can't eat, she hungry. And that's why you see people start pick up the style about oh they don't want no road. All of a sudden nobody.
Renz, you know say it happen from Bustamante days? From Bustamante days, them bash JLP government with this same thing. I know just now I want tradition for them.
How many hotels built in Trelawny since liberating government? We expand them property in less than 14 months and build a new property. Royalton expand. It's not just two Royalton, it's not just one Royalton, two Royalton. So one was expanded since Andrew came in power. So that's around 4 new hotels built in less than 8 years in Trelawny. I mean, no, say Trelawny people are benefit from that.
They are. They are. Them think that, let me tell you, when Tova go, I'm sure you know, so them people are ungrateful and they're not good. I love somebody there we're familiar with Trelawny. You see road from Dumfries to Wakefield, that road always bad. We never know it could have fixed. And Tova come and do something. And the people them complain. Tova fix Friendship Road, Tova fix Waterbury, and these road the people them never know.
A true fact that you never have no road. No road.
Up there one time and trust me, I swear me wouldn't go back and 2 more persons out of the same family there pass away and me not go back after. And right now me feel so good when me here so the road they fix. Trust me.
Exactly. And the people in the Pantova case, I mean, I say any only when the Pan Victor right case, like on the Pantova case.
Hand out they want people directly command us, give them money. That is a culture they want. That can't work. Every dollar have to be accounted for.
No, because the handout now I use to fix road. That's why they might fight the road building. So.
You know, Renz, me gotta tell you what them do, you know, when them say they get road project, you know. You see persons them will work, when them say them a do nothing, when them a troll come out on the road and grade it. Them people the way I do their work there, them not really get no benefit, you know. You see one them sit down and oversee it, after them name go a parish council go with big check go collect, you know. I saw PNP work, you know, that's why they not like liberal government. Anything you work for, it you get. You can't want to get on, you know, work, and that's why they can't like the Jamaica Labour Party.
I say municipality do away used to pack a Friday day time. When last night I say municipality, everybody sit down agrees.
Because everybody have to work through what they want.
Remember one time we used to have money, the parish council used to pay for gap. I never, NSWMA. One time a parish council used to deal with it. I remember, you know, government used to pay for truck when it exists. Don't forget that. All of them they're not.
The only thing Falmouth need right now, and I'm sure they have it as a plan, is a sewage system. They don't have a proper sewage system in a Falmouth.
Because overgrow now. It's that. Remember, so nobody never used to go Falmouth. Nobody never used to go Falmouth, you know. Nobody never used to go there. Nobody never think to live in a Falmouth. But guess what? It overgrow the population now, so the sewage system. Hey, you see, if you go in a Falmouth Square, this street where the parish church upon, you know what I say? Oh, Sam, look. If people them in a back of time.
If you tell you, then if you live there 10 years ago, you're gonna come and see the same thing. They don't like progress in that era. I don't know what they do to their mind, but they don't like progress. We live there for 1 year and 8 months, and that's how they are.
next to Tova, him did run in a Falmouth division. And as much as Tova work and help them in there and the guy help them, they didn't know vote for him. Then love to be in a Falmouth division. And Falmouth, he said Falmouth are the capital of Trelawney, are the worst city me see one parish. It's a Hanover fight still, cause Hanover why me not know?
The one of them must have the same layout.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm not talk about that. No joke.
Hanover, you know what going on Hanover. It's like a place, why? Let's see right in front of the market, where see welcome to Lucy sign. The people them set up big stall there. Big old patrol. I don't know. I end up still, so who are we to talk?
But my question is, all them say, them love the poor and them for the poor, but I be an investment bankers in charge of the party.
But they don't realize that. They don't realize
because they keep them poor.
Say investment bankers are some of the biggest thieves. They say, why your money swindle away? Deal with investment banker.
And they are the ones that take the money out of the country. They are the ones that take the money out of the country, you know. So all this issue with foreign exchange and stuff like that. If you put PNP in a power, you know, we're going to have foreign exchange issues, you know. Because all I'm going to do is transfer what we have in our reserve to different locations and the ministries.
Yep.
We really need some, me not cut your arm, Mum. We really need some highlights from upper sentence, you know, because remember we have an election up there today.
Oh yes, trouble hell.
Info media.
Info. Let's go for info.
Like compare, you're going to take a 5.
Look at that thing and do.
Info bill up yourself for later. I'm telling you something. You see, and you can't know a place them in our pit that is controlled by PNB, you know. The cities them are terrible. Terrible. Yes, Falmouth is in control under the JLP, but you see, Falmouth division is a PNP division. Strong PNP division. You see, Lucy, Jesus Christ, Lucy is a strong PNP. They not even have bus park. You know who in a bus park? Burger King.
They will reject them, though. They will reject them, you know. Because me I tell us Ian Hills. Me I tell us people them.
I'm talking about the based on the responsibility itself and the council responsibility that.
Yeah, but I'm just saying this to say that to show you how people them did really get disgruntled with their attitude. Them reject Ian Hills because they have the place and do nothing. Let me tell you, there are some people who we analyze certain things while others we just tell themselves that they're die-hearted and they're not business and just celebrate them party. But if everybody could have just put this die-hearted thing one side and just work with the government to see improve the country, things would not run much better.
And that is what the PNP don't want people to do. If you notice it, them don't want people to look at the accomplishments of the government. You realize that they're not campaign for what the government not doing.
Because of that, they're not even tell their followers to look here. Regardless, we're not in government because the government has put some policies in place where each and every Jamaicans can benefit from it. Not even them, there's something that you can't hear them say.
Well, me, I die-hearted labor right. If labor right now go on with nothing, me I go cause and me I go
die-hearted labor right. And me burn out die-hearted PNP because guess what, if my party not do nothing, even if me now vote for them, I now vote for PNP. And me can never see my government to do something we beneficial, not just to me, but to the entire country. And me here say, voting time and me sit down on my yard. That now go happen. All of them have to put me on church, have to go make it X. Scare me out there as long as my party at work.
But look how them are run on and I say bank account. I ask them, I say, where you rather have bad mind or bank account? That look like them rather have the bad mind. I say, give me the bank account.
Them a talk about bank account. They're so stupid because all who are running this 28 bank account thing. You transact different business in one bank, you have to maintain one account for whatever business you transact.
But phenomenal, woman. Listen.
But they are so stupid.
Phenomenal. You hear me?
Yeah.
TikTok I give problem. Look at it bigger Renzo type thing.
Yeah, me I hear you, you know.
Understand. The normal Jamaican. The normal thinking Jamaican. No. When you look on it. Them don't know what it mean. Them think we just have bank account and for just get paid through. Them don't know what is a bank account for. No for them have bank
So we ask about if you ever open account with no money. Go and go try it for yourself. You fool now. Get away from here.
Them don't know a bank account they for. Them don't know the benefits of a bank account.
Even if you have a credit card, it's a bank account, you know, you didn't know that. Even if you have 3 different credit cards from a bank, it's a bank account, you know.
It's still a bank account.
If you have your saving account, your checking account, your loan account, your credit card account, a total different account, they're not matched together.
Yeah.
Total different account.
No, I'm not even go so deep now, phenomenal, man. I have 1 card and about 4 different bank accounts on it.
Sense.
1 card, I have 1 card and about 4 different bank accounts on it. And that no match up to my rest of bank card them. You have bank accounts for different type of business, different type of transaction. Suppose me go on my bank now, say my bank a Scotia, I'ma take out a loan. Automatically that's the next account add to my something.
You don't have to pay $1 to take out that account. I me tell them, if them are doing an investigation per your banking statement right now, all if you have account with dormant for 10 years, 20, 30, 40 years ago, once them then pull up their system, it come up money. So you don't have to active. It's still all coming out, it says your account. From your name is attached to it.
And some people who change jobs often and they get that job letter to go to the bank and they have to take out a NCD, a Scotia, a JMB, a CIBC, a credit you. Yeah, it's still an account. You still have that account.
One time to me, you know, me open one new account as Sajiko, right? However, me did go figure get the new card because at the time, me never get the card with the chip. And when me go, I me give lady me ID, lady I say yes, me collect the account, me collect the card already because me collect it in a one different parish. So I'm like, no, I know me. You know what saved me? Me middle name. When the woman go back on the system, she realized say, me and the person have the same surname and the same first name. The only thing different but she never look pan from day one is the middle name.
I was told by somebody who work in a bank, you know, for Scotia. Every person actually have the same bank account, you know, but it's just a name that makes the difference. The name. Sometimes 3, 5, somebody have the same bank account number, but it's just a name that is different.
Yeah, tell us that sometimes people just hear some things, they're not really getting the details to find out, then just hold on pan when they want hold on pan. So when they hear about 28 account, I shouldn't 28 to know I hear about. I should have 56.
Well, the great you, may I tell you the truth. All of my bank account, them, I think I want to loan me not open without money. And I'm my credit union. But all of my bank account, them, every one of them open without money. Because I got a letter from my company.
I don't know why I'm decline money on that dash cross one and that so no. Mega.
But Lexi, me I gotta tell you, you see when you're going to a bank right now, if you open one account, they will ask you, are you going to open the account with any money? If you say no, I see you where you get your account. You then get your account without you open it with $1.
Yeah.
So them your idiot we are chat, they need to go do some research and know what is what.
And I'm telling you, you know, phenomenal woman. You see, now them a dash bank account for anybody. Them want you in a car.
interest rate low, business have boom, people are make money has transfer from left, right, and center. Yeah, man, it's easier now to make money, so them no need to wall up or have this one bag of something we have to go come with the bank accounts. I'm gonna tell you something. Hey, at the easiest right now, if you go get a loan from any company. Easiest right now, if you go get a loan from any company.
Up every day and I swing with the foolishness. Them people that want to just hitch up at one place when not progressive, they are non-progressive element. They just sit down and hear what their followers say and just run with it. They not try to find out nothing for themselves. Then come like a son naysayers, SOG, SOB, them be send out boy and send out girl. So anything when they hear somebody pass and say, then just pick up it just like when somebody walk wrong and fly techie.
Tish, if me I go center and almost midday, I'm not sure me I go to be honest with you. I have spent almost 2.5 weeks down there. I'm supposed to go down there. It's the cash to clear, and I am out of cash. The last I spent was in St. Trelawney last night on October, and I have to come up. And mind you, I'm in Clarendon, and that's 10,000 gas per day. I can't do it no more. Sorry about that. But if me go live. If me go, which is me not sure.
First and foremost, them bank nowadays, as you go to take out an account, you want a credit card? Yeah. Them see the level of money you make, you need a...
If you send him some money, gun he can't reach.
Yeah, man, they send me 10 money gun, man. Me just go and just open the wall. Just 10 money gun and me good, or 10 or 15 money gun. And me everybody give me one money gun, and me 80 people no give me out of 80, me will take 20 money gun. And me reach. Instant me reach. Lord God, me say me feel a fever, me want to reach. Me say everybody put up them ballot. Me say everybody do this. And me can't reach. You know, look, you can't stay so. Info can't stay so. You can't stay so.
Okay, it's not the fact that him no want go, it's just that right now you open cash.
I have been out and about from. No, but if you follow me, I have been on the road from it announced. And one day, me no go down there alone, and I Thursday when you have no. You have to be realistic. You have to be realistic. And one day, no, me no go down there. You have to be realistic.
They get 10 finger arts there. That can that do something.
Of course. I just one day, no, me no go down there.
Right now, them send to me, and I tell them something, I can't go. You have to go work. Oh, me pay for the day. No, you have to go work. I forgot what. Me stay on my phone and watch everything, because everything I go live. Somebody must day where I go, where I see and I go live. Yeah, man, me watch it on my phone. Info.
Yes.
They get paper plane.
Let's see it. Paper plane. If they ever send one line or two posts, me gone. I didn't care why I miss something.
It was one line or two posts, my God. I know you want to go man info, I get it, but
me well want go man, God know me well want go man. If me can't move and go just a drink sauce of Campari, so me want quarter Campari in my car, but me can't move with sauce of Campari.
They get hot too.
Thanks to the apps. Everybody are trying to go in LA right, they will want to see festivities again. They will. What would I do? If me go, would I go polling station to polling station? Would I see everything? If we go, would I drive from?
This is what I go on. I can't use my card on TikTok. I rather send it to Western Union. You have a GK1 card?
Yeah, me no, sir, me no like it.
What you mean when you not like it? Info?
If you have a restaurant, you just can't send it to me. The restaurant in front of my house, like, see?
Oh, sorry, never seen it.
It's in
So
front of my
first,
house.
Make it come through Western Union, an easy one too.
the person when named Trish and would like to do that, you can just inbox him.
Why she want to do that?
Appreciate it, Tish. Please see what you can do.
Oh, just message me this, Trish. Message Lexi, Alexi will give me number. Message me.
Info, my phone them change, you know. Me not keep phone out long, you know. Me not even remember if me have a number.
Trish, message me now, I'm a seat. I'm a message you back. That's all. One that what him.
Trish, I better you message him because me not have him number. Me not think I have the number in the phone again. Because I change my phone them.
I wouldn't say come up. Adija. Timmy Boo. Trish, if you message me, let me know if you message me.
Hey, I'm telling you something, man.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Missy Dan lied.
Really want to stream in. Me not tell no lie, but if vibes not gear, you can't make it, don't force it. Because we have to get in for somewhere.
Hold on, phenomenal woman, I want to go because I'm telling you, don't they go festive, but I've been spending all week, 3 weeks, for the announcement down there, I can live stream if you don't watch. And it is.
Clinton resident has said go on good so far. I mean, know say somebody might have stream, but may I tell you, we just want to know say we tap it up.
Hey, this is voting going on good so far.
Your business, because she said she just message you.
Alright, now check of it. You go on it now.
Click patch farm and a collection. We can't do it in favor of a party.
No.
I see you something enough. If you collect pan public for farm, baby, mama.
Info, what? Info?
Me I look donation to keep church.
No, we don't need that, you know. Yes, you see me, don't have we don't have to over yesterday. It's so liberal. Listen before we make the nice. I saw things he said, brother.
So you don't see me?
Info, we know, so we have to link up a conference info. We have to link up. I put more the info, but I clip it, me see. Because I make a new Facebook account, you know. I mean, they lose my own, them and think me I try. Get back, more and find me. I see my nation, I send a friend request on Facebook, the Info Jam Media. Info Media Jam.
You see?
You understand me? Now, I'm going to send a friendly request.
Tish, me message you.
Yeah, you search my nation, panic. Yeah, man. Info, me don't like something. I say, I'll tell the league great. You see him, you know, if you don't tell the league great, I'm blogger.
Chat too much.
Me say, man, born me, see, man. Tell the league great. Me don't like him on style. Me rate the man what the eye now. Me rate him on Bernard Rodriguez, our next blogger, you know. But tell the league great, I like him and give up about projection that him know not know. I'm gonna give him secret to what, man.
I'm a full-fledged madman. I'm a madman.
Info. Born me see, man. How we hear them say? For a cliff user say, Confused I said me but this me no know what say it can't be a neck and neck poll. So me not believe that the poll can right, you know. But 49, where PMP I do for overcome 49 to 14. Hey, sometimes they get ignorant, you know, brother. You see it. Brother, I just them say North East Center if them live shaka PMP. But people win North East Center, brother. Remember, say 4 division who win, you know, brother. In a local government, you know. The 4 division, them.
Remember the man say fake poll. Fake poll.
Yeah. You never hear that, Mark?
Yeah, Lexi. Yeah, me say, man. The 4 division, you have Isaac, you have Bell Nevis, you have the big woman there, and the next one, the 4 division. I'm accused. I check up like each man I get 50. It must like when him done accumulate the 4 division, them we get over 6,000 odd. They must get over 7,000. I get a 9-10,000 that. A local government, you can't compare a local government to a by-election, brother. Me wrong, all right.
Yeah, but when me I try to say to yourself,
Yeah, man.
it's fake. It's not real. Them only do that as a ploy for distract the Jamaicans.
Yeah, let's see. Yes, see, I know what it's say. One of my friends say I voting going on in North East Center. That means some people come out what enough resources the man put in, you know. Water bars are change one stop light, in no spot. You know, coming out watch it. The man have four plans and the man put in the plans them. Like a him Shane Robinson one from but they were never see it. Minister never give him 2016 or 2020. Work him run it, man. Water bars are the right man, Mata Samuda, man.
PNP try to sabotage him and since he start. I see man have to report them to the police. Them
Ryan Simpson make a speech couple 4 weeks back to 5 weeks back before election. They say they must show us a matter some more than when I live. Me up on a PNP live. The one Ryan Simpson that run against Lisa Anna. Him we don't they know. What make him never test by election? What him never test by election?
Him can't test it, you don't know that.
Ryan Simpson said the man that live there and EOG have to do some more the voters listen thing, but them sent 2 independent those who are run for PMP candidate. Two PMP who are run as independent now. So PMP never.
Think we can this country. They not like progress.
But watch out on God.
Constituency, we need to work on South Chilani. Because more down there try to create one image as if him a the savior.
He want to cut road. He want to cut road. Back road. Do you hear me say, man?
Me see one man post, me see one vlogger post to say him a build up some house down there we have 4 before. The people can't even turn in a hit. So he better build 2 solid house because when man do a foolishness.
Please check your message. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let me butt in a bit. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to Peter Queen. Good morning to all our listeners that are subscribers,
Good morning.
Followers. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Me always tell me morning, you know. Me always have a mix up, but me not mix up.
Right. Good morning.
Morning, everyone. Morning again. Morning, Eagle. Morning to everyone who is on the live. Again, we're having a fruitful discussion. But we are asking people them who come in our back. We are listening. Listen. We have 92 persons here. And a charge, we are charged every touch on our phone. We're not charged every touch. We don't talk up the screen and make people and continue the conversation, man. Look how much can do that. Phenomenal woman, big up yourself, everybody. Big up yourself. Come up the screen, make people and continue. Sassy, big up yourself. Tish, the message, yo, check your message, Tish.
Yeah, man, a good look, man. As two will launch our own conference there, we don't swear them out to know what they gonna do. What them gonna do?
What can they do?
What achievements under belt for 4 years?
Yeah.
Whole leap.
Yeah. See, we come at Neil, in that Westmoreland for years. I didn't get one beat in a run. Date and the 1 term and I sent and run Ghana Westmoreland. Afraid of Crystal Lisa. Afraid we come out afraid of the 1 million Marlon game. In there for years I give you 500,000 and then I do nothing. Judge right, me see them want give a fight.
Mr. One post where say him go back go challenge Crystal Lee. Me don't know if it's true or false. Me I look to see why outcome of that.
Hey, my friend, Crystal Lee beating by nearly over 2,000 votes, you know. And then a whole heap of work him for do, you know. And them come from Bamboo, you know. You see it. Some me no know where them up to.
Right now, a 10 seat where we have to keep our eye on, you know. And if we lose those 10 seats to PMP, then you know the result. Them 10 seats we have to work on.
Which you can identify and keep it as a secret.
Well, one is in contestant today, which we know so that's possible, sure. South Trelawney. The other one, Audley Shaw seat.
Mama D seat, well on the U ministry, our name. You see, Mama D seat, our heart seat, you know. Don't take it lightly, you know.
Yeah. But I must say, the energy Audley have one time and really did it against if you send somebody down there to give him the support.
And your replacement down at that, man.
Right. So the other 7, I will do the research, but that 10 seat right now we have to keep our eye on. 10 of them. And we're good.
All right. We have to do it.
Paying back in Westmoreland seat them a solid lick that for PNP if we really work and get back them seat.
Brother, you doing about 7 about the seat, but you will go on George Wright. George Wright have no see them, you know. George Wright have no see
them. Then cannot get that seat. Me I tell you, it gonna be a hard fight with them. Because the first time when Iman George Wright go, I robbed that the seat. That's how we know for sure.
When Fear Jacobs he go for see it. Fear Jacobs he go for see the time there. The woman, remember Fear Jacobs said she dead. A woman there.
Me did I work with them, and if Marley never did cut, Marley would get the seat. Them, I tell
Mala
you.
would get a seat. Mala, oh, you see that means you know, see, you're really about right, though. You're really about right, you know.
You would get it. Look here, you see when the stampede go on when them with the shooting incident when Marlene run. I was at that meeting. Me I tell you, but me I tell you, say if Marlene never run and just hang around to one Westmoreland barn, she would have gained. Me I tell you that.
Yeah, somebody said
no matter how they fight George Wright, them cannot get back that seat.
Yeah, somebody named Timmy Boo said it's going to be a fight because Ian Hill are work. Ian Hill is growing against Marlon Wilson. The people don't know why. Ian Hills, you know, if I'm a baggage, you know, you saw like run and over and win for, and then you notice the PMP them as them get a beat, you know. Ian Hills I do on 2 term and over a 3. I go to 3 term and get beaten. Him moving on. What is stats? We come on and do the sea get that we run Westmoreland, Eastern Westmoreland for years and get 1 beat and run. Gone elsewhere. Look on them stats. Date and camera the same thing to, you know.
People them did definitely reject Heels. Definitely because you see, he works for one poll company. And when time we do the poll, the people them definitely never want Ian Hills to run back. They never want him. They reject Ian Hills. The only problem with people them we have at the time when Tamika Davis did go run, most of the people them did want her to visit them personally, come in at their community. And we outlined that to her. And she did, and she get the seat. So,
and she didn't put it on same way, though. She didn't put it on same way, though.
Yeah, she's still there.
And I know about Shaban, though. I know about Band, though.
Yeah.
All right. Dave Brown, I'll tell the league agree. I said Dave Brown, you know, I lose him seat. Tamika Davis. I said, what I tell the league agree? All them something that the man are going with, brother.
You just type in a chat say, they don't think George Wright should have run back on JLP ticket. Why you don't think so? George Wright forever blessed Natalie. George Wright is a Westmoreland man. And trust me, George Wright run back on the ticket there. No matter what you hear people say, he's going to be victorious. PNP can't get back at the seat there.
Find create a base, you know. The man create a base. Then they find a meeting George Wright for run Panaji. Then the JLP ticket the man I run back. The man say him not gonna wear. Him not gonna wear forever blessed Natalie. That's him do him
come create history in Westmoreland. he come create history in a Westmoreland and he's a Westmoreland born. So it don't really matter. I feel labor right seat that as long as Judge right did. Anybody else here come now, them have to come work. Figure that.
Say what I'm going see. Me not swear man though.
Judge right I run back as JLP and he's still been supporting the Jamaica Labour Party. Not regardless of the incident what happened, he's still a part of the Jamaica Labour Party.
Then the man saying that he's a Jamaica Gleaner. Yes, it's a Jamaica Gleaner. You don't see it.
You know, whether they want like it, yes or no, me can attest and tell anybody that. Say, holy pa PNP, run with George right. Holy pa na one and no two, holy a PNP run with George right and it'll go happen again.
Yeah, somebody come now and see it a Jamaican for dummies. Mama, they are the seat. Are the seat still, you know? Anybody that put in a the seat still enough for me. So the principal Richard McCuskey, who you see me a deal. You see me a deal, so me don't know when I'm a deal. Trust me.
PNP cruel. With even if it's a road from Ferris to Maxwell where Andrew Bill. PNP did want to run with the Asia them do it. That's how cruel PNP.
They ain't natural on it too. They ain't natural on it too, my friend. I wrote the two of you though. The batty boy named Fabian Davis. One should fix the road. He want to come. Well, on you know. Him just turn coastline, you know. To turn water, you know. But I don't consider, you know. And the boy, them want claims it. You fix the road they saw between Duncans and one of them here there. Him want claims it. Hey. I saw PNP.
That's how PNP, yeah.
My friend, my Trelawney man, I'm tell you honest truth that only Labour government fix road in a Trelawney. I tell you honest truth. Labour government fix road in a Trelawney. So don't make nobody tell you nothing. Me live a Duncans, me live a Falmouth, me see the landscape. A Labour government give Trelawney road.
Brother, they may not come a Falmouth come sell all the while, brother. In a market, me know Falmouth, you know.
These people were fully inferential. Where now go come up front and tell people, say, look here, I support this political party, but you see in Westmoreland, a whole heap of business people support and back George right.
Listen,
as a JLP
I'll go and Ted Brown him. But me and thing, you see the girl named Daniel Foster and Carnival Mountain. I realize that, yo, him George right have all my support, man. Him have all my support for true. Him have all my support. Him have it.
2011. You see, in 2011, back up in 2016, Ted Brown was a full-fledged PNP.
Yeah.
And when he see progress, where JLP put in a Westmoreland, he man jump ship with no apology. And then people, they are influential people who can drop people behind them.
Listen, remember, you know, yeah, you have two twin sisters still right beside them, you know, twin them, you know. We're gonna foreign, you know. Me never know West Dung is so good. Auntie.
Me know everything where you talk about. Westmoreland, me born and grow.
So, the two to them run Ghana foreign now. Auntie, for them a big PMP too, you know. And them used to get big contract, you know. You know what I mean, you know? I want them, me and my boss go there. And then sell them rubbish truck for them. For what you funny, you know, PMP, so PMP stay. The woman them have truck, you know. For the twin them, me must know sell beside him, that's all. And them has a big contract them get. You have one, you know, who don't have Trelawney in the and parchment. She's scared there in this middle. So she used to get the big contract them. She not getting a contract again. I think slow down. What if you know me at all? Enough contract people used to have them choke. I eat the food. And I say, I can't get a man a contract, you know. So I'm to the government chuck them. If I watch out, the rubbish truck, no, you hear what I say to you. Yeah, private man have rubbish truck, you know, but not as much. The government have for them one. And that's why people don't want so much rubbish truck, never want to buy no much garbage truck, you know. You realize them thing there? You see, the government put in more resources.
Even hear them talk about, you not even hear them mention about the heap of default bus where they did buy. Where they use taxpayer money and buy. You don't hear them mention nothing about them, there's something about the government improve the bus system. And you not hear them give government no farmer applaud for that and the heap of defected vehicle them when they waste up taxpayer money and buy.
Well, listen, what did Darren say to Michael Phillips, you know? I tell him, say, him can buy the Dragon, but Darren Voss say, no, I buy the other bus them. If buses Michael Phillips are talk about, it a car, so car say the bus over Darren Voss buy, it him not pay $14 fee, but the Dragon bus them, Michael Phillips are talk, it a cost $25. So Darren Voss said, no, this is our work with. And you see it, we buy, them used to buy less with more money. We buy, what's what you say? We buy more. We buy less with more money and then buy more with big enough money. So I don't know them do it. Them are thief the coffers. That's how PMP work. That's PMP, typical PMP.
People them where they know say not have much sense. And that's why most of the people them support PNP. And that's why if you notice, it don't set of followers them run behind a PNP who are just so yes man and yes girl, they don't have no understanding. So all when PNP come with false news, they run with it. They don't try to do no research and comprehend pan them.
But phenomenal woman, what you realize now, you know, is if I'm one day here, although you can't touch some on the side people here, when they see enough young people gravitate to the Prime Minister and not listen to the research, you know, whenever you see them thing there, you know, you see them continue upon a trend there, it's a bit great for Andrew Oldness. Trust me. And the party in general.
That's a serious thing.
Yeah, man. Trust me. Boy, I shake on Philippine brains, you know. Philippine, if you had this him, she ain't gonna near me, mama front. Yeah, mother front. Yeah, man, you realize young people have gravitated to Labour Party more, man. I watch out. A man full of belly, you know, give 5,000 today, you know. Him now give every time, you know. Trust me.
Use and hold then die-hearted supporter, you know. Then just go through the area, find themselves for one of them bar there, and then just cook some food and drink some rum, and that's it. Then just capture their vote. When them now look for sustainability, the long-lasting benefits where JLP government put in place. So, but look at this. Check reality. Remember when Crawford did go run against Anne-Marie Valls and lose? I find them saying do so much things to them. Give them vote, give them foul, give them all of them sitting there. When he lose, you know, he start style them up in and call them rumbelly PNP, licky PNP, plywood PNP, and be their name, then style them up as because he knows that they love.
Yeah. And them like two like David Crawford, you know, but it doesn't mean a PMP and thing. You see it.
Things so they not like Damian Crawford. They know so any plans that them put in place behind closed door. If they give Damian Crawford one mic for 5 minutes, all of that leak.
Yeah.
And that's why because they know say him is a chatty mouth. So anything where they chat behind closed door and feel Damian Crawford catch a hype and he get the mic and bust everything.
Yeah, what the conference, no man should rape no baby and Dayton can be a look. But prepare that file, 15-year-old girl. I say, look here. Look at this. But I feel like saying, you know, this time around, you know, if I don't have Amos place, you know, I feel like Amos can give me a run for him money, you know. You see? Yeah, man.
They don't have no plan for the country. Only thing when they want to do, come mash up where Andrew put in place. I just that they want. They just want to get a chance to wreck where Andrew put in place. And get a whole like cookie jar to lick every dollar out of it.
Phenomenal, woman. You see a youth beside Tovia, Andre. You see the council of Falmouth for years. And they never could have given you that chance, you know. You do beside Tovia, they said the youth there, and Tovia Lawyer, caretaker council, you know. The picture them put up beside Tovia, they saw. You see a youth and you say, but I'm bucking my Falmouth one day, you know. and them a one man around Falmouth, they say for years name God. And some people say God and this, but God I don't know. I told I come fix the road them on Falmouth Yard and them place there. I road them they never fix the 40 on Wellington Street. I one of them street there. I told them to dig it up one day and fix it. And PMP around Falmouth for donkey years.
If you did listen to Ovia's speech last night, she fixed all road. That is not a part of her duty. I should do it just
me know. Me not a friend, me not a sister good enough, me not a mother good, me know Miss Hyacinth, me know a mother and a sister Christian, you know. And Miss Hyacinth, you know. You see? Yeah, man. Richie got who name I see Tell League put up this one man named Jamaican and Labour Right Man. And you can't see a name Jamaican? A PMP like long Jamaican Telecushion Company. Did you know that criminal woman? Jamaican, you see the down a Duke Street, there's someone in there Portmore. It's a communication company, you know.
You know,
it's a communication company, though, like telephone company out of Jamaica. A paper man shop that, you know?
About it for real.
It's a Jamaican company, you know. It come like diesel or flow. When you went and you have cable and wireless, but jamming tell you know, you could make go there make call, you know, a foreign, you know. As some know say PMP man shop them thing there, you know.
Them PNP where I run up and down. We don't want one of them to come and tell us about outer money. Where they use taxpayer money and buy out. What happened to outer money?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Me know Richie got. But watch you know. Jamming tell now is a company. So me know PMP not good for Jamaica, you know. All right. Did you know the Constituency there from in the 80s and Criminal Woman and Timmy Boo?
Me never sure about it from the entire, but me know say since Jamaica Labour Party really coming up for all of them something they highlight.
Yes, man, it's gonna be a free port. A Constituency there a long time I've seen there in the 80s. Their research. Ask anybody. Freeport, this was a car center. I see I got the first man bringing satellite come here. Yeah. It was a car center. Ask anybody, ask Philippine. Anybody in the box. Info. Car center there from in the 80s. Great Edward Siago.
Fuck. You know, like nothing with progressive. You see, when I was a young girl going to school, me can't remember, and this is one thing why me have to support Jamaica Labour Party. I remember going to school as a young girl. When school I go on summer break, every pitney I get a package of food. I get then time they are tailor, regular tailor, so khaki straight. Every pitney. I get then khaki material to come back out of school September morning one full suit. Your uniform material, whatever school you go, you get one whole uniform suit. When PNP come back in a power, all of them sitting there cut right out. Cut right out. I can never support PNP party because PNP party cut out everything with progressive for Jamaican people.
Yeah. So when I talk about car center and nothing new, but I see I got bringing them something there, satellite, them something there. The great Edward Philip Siago. Trust me. Bringing the car center Freeport. Yeah, it was a car center.
Do you remember where the Jamaican headquarters was?
No, I joke see the brother behind Fetchers Lands and Church.
No man, well the Jamaican, you see where the development are going on where the Prime Minister do up a St. Thomas we turn up. It was Jamaican first and it turned Goodyear, then it what the Prime Minister do over there. That's how it used to there, you know. And that's on the satellite.
I want it there Portmore to do shut them up. They have plan to build Arsenal can't build.
Yeah, man, you could have got this so go make the call, but this wasn't. I mean, I tell you which are the dish to dead. You'd have a big dish up a St. Thomas, same place where the urban is where the Prime Minister belong now.
Yeah, me know.
At this exactly. At this so the Jamaican used to there with the big dish, you know, big dish. Where you could have used so we can use phone and make call and them thing there.
Open discussion. I gotta tell you something too. You see Lambert Brown, I make good here oval mash up, you know. Let's shut down, you know.
Yeah, shut down.
Lambert Brown yesterday there, you know.
Yeah.
PNP PNP is a bad influence in Jamaica because there is a history about Lambert Brown. Him should even sit down in a parliament.
Phenomenal woman.
Animal looking bitch. Him should sit down in a parliament because I'm a terrorist.
You see, man, Trevor Monroe in the 80s with the cocktail bomb and the bomb crab there. When them go on when the school teacher for Bridgeport. For Bridgeport. Remember Bridgeport I saw now 1978 or 79 Bridgeport does bill. Lambert Brown a criminal never got prison, you know. It's that Trevor Monroe talk about NIA and as an integration are coming him. Was one of them who tried to destabilize the country and a Labour government.
WPJ.
Workers' Party.
Yeah.
Listen, man. So we have this discussion here all the while. Make some people do some research and thing. You understand me, brother? PNP bad for Jamaica.
Yesterday I was on a PNP
Very
live.
bad.
Yesterday I was on a PNP live and hear a man talk about the toilet, the bathroom when them building in a Ocha. No, in a Ocha, yeah. And the man cuss the man cuss and say, boy, the government should have used some of the money when them put in toilet and give people because them toilet too sophisticated for people. People don't know if you use them. I say you really up online. I tell people that, sir. Him say yes.
Me hear him. Me I say, I'm some comment, me I say, the government put in a toilet, they be that cost. And the professional do go some press, you know. When they was press on the top, you know, it goes a road, the water flush out.
Yeah, the man was, them have to ask him, I say, what do you want the Prime Minister to do? For go down there and wipe, tell people to wipe their mask, though? You mean so the man give us theater a toilet and that on a company here a complain about people?
That's just what you say. Anytime them facility they destroy a PNP destroy because they not used to nothing good.
Them don't used to nothing, man. Imagine I not get theater the toilet for use that public bathroom and not complain.
Yeah, for wash it and all of fall Martina so the bathroom them stay in the toilet them, you know. But what does so far but overcode on Wednesday, sometimes I have set jump for your flush out the bathroom when they use it. But brother, I sit off the art to get it out to press.
Yeah. And the people them a complain say it better if the man give them the money. Yeah.
Oh no belly full man.
Just imagine if you were investing in an automatic one them with the fan. Where you just get up and it just flush by itself. What them would do?
They must say the people and they know if you use it. Somebody should have show the people how to use it. I'm say a toilet people know if you use.
That should say them destructive bad.
The mentality just can't understand the mentality. Can't understand it.
PNP man.
PNP wicked, you know. Remember so when I think in 2011 when Portia did a run. I remember so they have them did link up with the hierarchy scammer and fish, you know. And just after them plan to legalize gay, you know. Yeah. As they mean done enough for them take him how much scamming money, you know. Illegal money, you know. They just set up a plot in a orchestrate him and life, you know. So if you show how PNP wicked and then I know moral for poor people and people life, you know. And if we not stand up strong, then come back with the same thing this time around just to gain political mileage.
Then them doing it. And them doing them that.
Look for the kind of people you see them a highlight. Look for the kind of people you see them a highlight. Same caliber, nothing different.
Nothing different.
Oh man, so if you have a daughter or son, we can vote, try to get them for new married.
Son do it, my second son do that right now. I just see pick up. Everything gone through, I just see collect right now. My opinion, I'm an idiot. Even last night, me I watch a sentence meeting with my Somali son. And he said, Mommy, when you go to conference, you have to go carry me, you know.
No, too short. They were long far. You know, see, don't they were long far, long far, so.
To the last day for numerate.
My personal far. Yeah, man, you are long far.
I run no joke with no pitney when me have under my care reach age. In terms of my pitney them have to push out. I mean I make them push out without right choice because I sit down and I explain everything to them so they know what time I strike. They see and they know.
Them people that just live on that, them live under a different creed, man. Different creed of life them live under.
PNP not good for Jamaica.
You see, growing up as a child, me come from a labor right family, you know, cause me go see my grandaunt, come grow with my grandaunt. My grandaunt was a labor right. But my mother grew up in the same household, and my mother, out of all who grew up with my mother tried the next road and go support the People's National Party. You see, when it boiled down, and my mother realized, say, yo, you should not see what PNP do for Jamaica for so much issue up and down behind them. My mother tell me, say, that can never happen. My mother cut from PNP.
Wait there, the person named Eagle, come up, the man. When nobody now run you. If you want to debate, just as you say, come up. You don't have to sit down and type. Come up. If you want to debate, you talk. As long as you're not disrespectful to anybody, you can come up and talk to it.
With facts, cause if you come up with no foolishness, you will get bash. So you better make sure you say you come with real facts.
What? Yeah.
So one side we are talking about positivity. So if you have things to discuss positive, where you know say a progress, you can come.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Philippian just take him on and call him weak jelly back. Oh wow.
PNP destructive, bro.
Yes, man. The people, I mean, you can't tell me say you don't see where I'm going and you come. You wonder if they don't leave out of their neighborhood and go anywhere. I don't know watch TV and see where I'm going. Them just can't accept.
Die-hearted. They tell themselves they die-hearted that kill them.
Look at the amount of buses, garbage truck, police car, building, hospital bill, police station bill at the same time. And I like one bill last year and the next one a bill this year.
But open discussion. Look at this. One time young people drop out of school, they don't have nothing to turn to. It worse if them come from one poor family background. Yes. Right now, the government set up policies in place so you go hard. You get pay figure, you get your fare, you get your lunch.
Yes.
And if you are successful in whatever you do, whatever skill area, the government offer you a grant to open a business of your own if you come up with one good business plan.
Yes.
What else can you ask for?
I don't
young
know.
people?
It puzzles me. It puzzles me.
What else can you ask for as a young person?
It puzzles me. Puzzle me how them live and think. Puzzle me. Yeah. Puzzle me. And then
you figure learn a skill.
Year in, year out. Them grandmother, them mother, them father live the same, live just like how them come and nobody no intend for change.
By generational curse take over the country.
Nobody no intend for change. You show them. You say, look at this. What do you with the pan and one again and me show a man say, look at the new buses them. You know the man ball out bus them.
Read the Philippian right say, Sean, man I play the Tito in a show. You can't debate with us. Go on over here, man.
Exactly. Look again.
Natalie, take him on, you know.
Government set up a plan at NIS office in every constituency. Where you can go and apply to one step to grant. As long as you can identify one business place, you get your documents them straight. The government offer you up to $150,000 to invest in one business. What more can we ask for? Which other government do that?
Never in a history.
Like that you know, want a business like that to go buy some goods to sell all Christmas in December.
What NIS office? Go to the NIS office in your parish.
Yeah.
What more can we ask, sir? Look how much benefit the government put in place. If you have one surgery, if you don't, you can't maintain your surgery. Get one invoice from wherever you go to do your surgery. And carry go NIS office, the government set funds in place to assist you. It'll go straight to wherever you sign up. If you want one test glass, get your eye test and carry your test glass invoice. The government a give you money to go get your glasses. If you also want to repair,
I don't think they want
see a
all
thing.
of this. Them don't want to know all of this. They say too good for be true. Them don't want to know all of this. Definitely don't want.
Listen up, Finneran, woman. I'll dirty teeth or rotten teeth or and call him. The government if he find good teeth, give him. I don't want it.
Him mad man. Him madman. Him a madman, man. Him mad. Totally mad.
Listen, them people we call themselves die-hearted PNP are so crazy.
Yeah, man. Him mad, man. Him gone. Him gone.
They have no sense. I mean, I tell you, say they're stupid in one way. Why is it that we JLP cannot talk about this something your government put in place? And PNP then can't tell them people make their reap. And you know what say? Me not gonna say that because enough of them are reap benefit and highlight it. Because when you check your level, more PNP get benefit more than JLP.
Yeah.
When you look all Pampard, Family did food stamp, and when you look Pampard and see how much benefit the government set in place to pitney. We see parents with 4 pitney I collect all 100,000 in a COVID.
But boy, I shall record people for. What them go on, sir?
Yes, making record and go and go spread it because we not talk no false news over your facts we attack.
We not talk nothing bad. We not talk nothing bad. Make him record.
Facts we attack. Why them can't highlight and understand and see them the something the government put them in place. You know, put them in place the JLP alone benefit all Jamaican citizens.
Them have them brains, so them refuse to have understanding. And anything good you come with and tell them no want to see it, they no want to hear it.
One next benefit their NIS office. Once you have one disabled person in your family household, especially if it's a child, the government take full responsibility, carry your information, your documents, go to NIS office. Eh? Why then can't see them there something there?
I refuse to see that, man. Refuse. You know what are good for them? If you pass through the neighborhood this evening, you can buy them.
And them $2,000
yes, give them a night dinner and buy them some special. You're good.
That's all the nastiness them want. Nothing good.
Yeah. But if you highlight out where the country is today and show them all when you have to see it in front of you, them cannot see it. They refuse to look at it.
Parents used to stress over CXC. To pay for CXC for them pitney. Once you pitney the Pampard right now, they entitled too much free subject. And the government still appear for 2. If you pitney even not the Pampard, what more can you ask for?
Them now do the research, you know, them just a chat, them now get the information out there. That's how them work, you know, man.
What more? I'm sure right now, God forbid, if PNP shall gain the next government tomorrow morning. All of they sitting here cut out. Everyone a hit cut out. Look, the government, you see, then come and them a talk about hospital. Hospital crowded and then can't get through. Government put health centers in place so can ease some of my burdens after hospital.
Listen up. You say we get on cut, we require 5 stitches. A tier 2 health center we having on next to hospital. Because you get a cut, require 5 stitches. You know, a big hospital, you know. The health center them can't deal with it.
Exactly. Some of them have simple coughing and then gone over hospital, gone sit down and spend whole day when they could have go a health center. Health center open from 8 in the morning till 9 in the night. Some health centers. And the people in now utilize their system. If it is a major situation where you have to go over a hospital, the health center go refer you. And you get you even faster when you go to hospital, go sit down whole day and then they get up and then blame the government like say government now do nothing. Damn man blast man, too much height with PNP. Too much a mind game with PNP now, man.
You see, that's how them work, you know.
PNP, if you set a PNP, them is like a prawn. High price and no damn value, they full of shit.
If Jerry can't say that, and Jerry a big PNP, listen, I'm a man say Michael Manley PNP mentally from in the 70s. You know too? You somebody say health center, a pharmacy and site. No, oh God, man. You see me a deal with? Oh God, health center.
Jerry,
Pharmacists
when you hear
there.
Jerry come out and tell him say if he love the Prime Minister because Prime Minister do a lot. Just
Yeah, man, so
imagine.
gyal
Jerry have
rather
better
sell, I
sense
gotta
for
work
for
now.
them.
Oh God, man, what man Jones can do and the Labour Party?
You know how funny it is? The amount of work where Andrew put in under 8 years. PNP have the country for 20 plus years. And they not even do quarter of that. Ireland want mash down the economy. Wrecky. Anytime PNP in a government, the country wreck.
PNP destructive, man.
Destructive, bad man. Bad.
They sell out the whole of Jamaican resources.
No matter how you
And then if you leech from other country, I see Andrew come and make a changes. Nothing. You don't hear them say nothing about that.
Look at what Mark Golding do. Mark Golding just sent $20 million to our next country. For give them for build housing development in a for them country, and which chart him a rule the people them live like animal over there, and them can't see that. Yeah?
Look
And
here, you see what you do? That is just a face card. That is just a face card.
Tell them say,
A styling hand.
yeah, but me like show you that say 20. I say no, 20 million US about 300 billion Jamaican dollar. You know. At that,
All right. Open discussion.
Yeah, man.
Open discussion. Listen. You see FinSac report. You see Pan Bishop over keep the me, you know. Last night, they review everything. Chopper, call the man, you know.
Yes,
And
me hear me.
it's not
When they
alone
put out
too.
the whole eye man sitting there and make the damage and sell him house. Philip
I watch it.
How wicked and cruel them be, and I see him dirty Mark Gold in a part of it.
Yeah, for the man were 480,000, you know, for do a business at the 90s, you know. And the man, them said the woman was $3 million to $4 million. Mush, and I never alone, you know. Yeah, more them there, you know, but we need to fight them.
People, I don't want to know a whole heap.
People kill themselves over it. And most of them people are now homeless.
Look on the truckload of people when they take up find a man to go be a city. What they do with them people? Dunk them in a mud lake. You don't hear nothing about them, they sweep on their carpet. Eh? You want a wicked government on this and people still support PNP? Eh?
Wicked PNP, the wicked PNP government, man. And some of them operate, you know.
PWP, Wicked People Party.
I can't wait till Thursday come for Parliament for hear where them are, where the IC, where them all say.
Yo, open discussion, them have to go, you know. Them have to go.
Of course. Some of them, of course, I have to go.
We can disband them, you know, right away, you know. You know that we can disband them, you know.
Yes, then right away, you mean, then you know what I mean. Then if you someone forgot something like that for answer question and you know go then if me no go court where you think I go happen. Judge
last them did for go, you know. Last year them for go, you know. And some PNP members and them not turn up. They find all fault.
Well, if them find any fault, then we now can see where it is and what is happening, plain as day.
PNP have in their head from day one.
Yes, man, it's plan.
Every prime minister will come up for Jamaica Labour Party, then try to sabotage them. Yeah. You see, with the incident with Bruce and the saga, a PNP orchestrate, you know, because they sign over every document, you know, behind Bruce back, you know, and then when everything turn over, Bruce get the blame, you know.
Listen, they're on the table long time. If I'm in a PJ time, come up from 2005. And from 2005, check the report. But them I put on the table. You see me I deal it. You know what? It's a portion they do in 2007 before late Bruce coming to party. Everything that come down upon them. I don't know what. Take the blame for it.
I see COVID. I look how Andrew handled COVID in my Dr. Tufton, Christopher Tufton. Who else? Fenton Ferguson could not have done that. None of them couldn't do it.
Those are not real baby. Remember Fenton, you know. Remember Fenton Ferguson is not real baby, you know.
But look now, you see in a chick V. Look for the amount of life we last. What they do?
Finna woman, you know, so somebody that about him took him take 20 bank account. You can't 500,000, you know, and wrote the 20 bank account, you know. You didn't know that. Take from this to take one this and put in this. You didn't know that.
Man, let me tell you something. You see when you go to one bank, you see if you join a partner plan, you have an account. Because they automatically give you an account. Because when your joint time come, then I call you and put in your hand straight in the account data go. So that is a partner plan account. If you have a credit card, you have a credit card account. If you have a savings account, you have a different account. So every account we open in a one bank, you have a total different account. So if you man even have 56 account, you don't have no money in a hit.
But you may say that what they made Dennis Strong say to the you know. For him say Dennis Strong say, man out here have 50 bank accounts on business company. Some company out here have 30, 40 account.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Totally right. That's the whole Fenton Ferguson wicked. That's a crocodile turn up in office. Remember me tell you.
You understand me?
You have no understanding. Not for who you hear attack, not for who you hear run with 28 account. They only hear them and say they don't have no knowledge or no understanding how to acquire. That even one account, much less 28.
You can have a $2 million, have a 20 account and put a 30 in that, 40, 70, 100, break it down.
Because if you say you want a fixed deposit, and you put certain amount of money in a fixed deposit, anytime you gain your interest off of that, you can rotate it and put in a one different account, you know.
Yeah.
So that's how stupid they are. They don't have no knowledge of certain things. And how can a local man who want to put himself with one prime minister who don't have a certain collateral to gain certain opportunity?
And listen. Julian Roberts, sit down and keep the press conference on there now. And the one that has cut like a menk when you know none about finance. A chat be a crap. Chat be a crap, you know.
And a be a wrong figure then give people them. Be a wrong figure, they don't have no name style. The people they fool, they don't have no sense. So see, because when they chat, me don't even pay them no man. It's just that they get to me sometime or they annoy with the same story because they don't go nowhere. But they don't have no name sense.
Yo,
they just do this to distract people.
You see propaganda. All you see what do them come? Oil there Jamaica almost trillion barrel of oil, fine oil.
Yeah.
Man attack say Andrew sell the oil like say it's a standpipe and I'm go there full bucket and say, you tell me say oil there we not see no barge, we not see not carrying no oil gone away.
And if you ain't go so for real and PNP fine, you sell off and nobody don't know where money go.
You do hear the argument die out? Do you hear the argument die out?
I'm sure you, because that's
$50 billion I'll file in Jamaica.
That is just the propaganda for us keep looking and diversify what we do for talk about.
To distract sensible Jamaican.
Yeah, to distract all my people Jamaica fine oil, how much billion barrel of oil? I mean, I listen to them people and I say, wait, where them really take this oil thing up for? Huh? 1 whole month what a talking oil there Jamaica. When I tell them say gold there, them find gold.
Look here, me I go show you. When me look and see, when them a campaign with when Portia and Jago go up in a race, and me see them use him on a house as campaign, me show you how me see how done right and worthless minded PNP be. Then go back again, they start use shoes. Imagine one clocks.
Yeah, they know Portia. And me tell people that, and I just know, you know, Portia do it and when Philip do it too, you know. When them there, you know, the one where before now, you know, them do it 16, them do it 20, and come back now, them just do it harder now.
And when them do it harder now, they say them in a trouble, them in a mean.
Yeah, them just do it harder now. What Portia do it, I see you're the first
Look here, me remember me seeing one clip where Peter go to one place and the man pit in her head just to gain political mileage.
Peter Phillips, yeah.
Just to gain political mileage. Where put him?
No way. My goal in the two right now. Got my root out.
Me see it. And me say, me keep on and say this. When they see Richard Curry, what then confusion, when they keep what they here. I feel say, yeah.
Look, man.
No, but with something I look. Bunting and Golden and Curry, they my business partner.
Yeah, for the who them in the world, no. You see Timber them what they are. When I make out nice what they about the police them come, him know about it, you know. Him know about the team who them when they make open discussion.
I style they under style.
A long time never do it.
Style they under.
And what you don't know what for them problem is now. Them want we know to still honor when some people work with them get from England over most of 200-300 years ago. It sign after them some boy them free. So them don't want pay no taxes. But them want
Jamaica, yeah, Zevani until you're not ready for talk.
Them want the government water, them want the government light, them want drive by the government road, but them want say them independent, them want stay by themselves because them have treaty sign. Nobody know the part of the treaty there.
Open discussion. Open discussion. Tell you this. Hold on, my baby. You see in Canada, and we have them type of people there. No matter where they call them, them have to talk to the government same way. All America, them people there. The government responds to them, that can't run so.
No.
It cannot run so.
Can't run so. That they treated them over some 200 odd years old. Nobody know how to see that.
Look how PG the tricky people them know. When them plan for divest JPS, he come up with one plan where he say, alright, we are going to string their house and then pay back in when them pay their light bill. So then give certain percentage a month time when them pay their light bill and bam, JPS gone.
Yo, any place you have them type of people there, the government have response to them same way. Canada, anywhere in the world, even Australia.
What's the government response here?
Brother, so we don't know where them get that from. Nobody was asked Spragabin, some Jamaica artists. Me say them have them ID. The ID they don't recognize, brother. But Maroon State where?
And be a badness in my use and run Maroon. Be a badness in my use. And if you find out say same style, Marky G want come with notice of Marky G act like a somebody who want represent one country. He want pick up this gangster style like he want use gangsterism to run the country.
I see when so you know as I said that I hear one day and I'm show you how PMP funny, you know. When Mark G did say take it to them wicked, and the PMP them shut them out, the band not say nothing, you know. And what the best man Mackenzie go down a country there and say, if anything you gotta take it to the streets, he never say take it, they want take it to the streets means they gonna march and protest.
That's a protest.
Yeah, right. And you see them highlight that. Them highlight the incident when Mark did say, when Mark G did say, you take it to them wicked, none of them say nothing. Not one of them.
Vaz make the same statement, you know. Dwayne Vaz make the same statement in 2016 in one meeting, you know, with Portia, you know.
Inside violence.
I say people, Westmoreland people, them fit load up there and whatever and take it to them wicked.
Wicked, yes, I remember. And none of them say anything. Not one of them say nothing.
That's all them corrupt, man.
Ron, you have something to say because your mic open from you come in your box. You have something that you want to say?
What's make a jump off in a make a left funny, you know.
Bless up yourself, Mark.
Bless up yourself.
I respect.
Me never know me the bad. Me never know me the bad life. Good morning.
Morning, good morning.
Me never know me the bad life, man. I hear me hear the was I say. So what go on there now? What go on and watch it there now? People them a turn out.
I don't know, you know.
We're not too sure, you know. We're not too sure. We just have one open discussion in our back, so we don't know if you have something to share.
No.
Yeah, man, me have something to share. Me love what go on in Jamaica. Me love what go on. Me a good road for drive, man. Me a good road for drive, man, and the government a do good. Government a do good.
Alright, they say this only some people alone can see it. Is like it was invisible to some people and visible to others.
You see, man, we are looking out. I am a fight the government. The man we are looking out, I am a fight the government.
100% believe in that too. And anything where government do invisible to them.
You see, the man when say I have to get up for work. You know bad thing I say. I something women notice. I can't man them. And the foreigner them I fight the government. Some of the foreigner them. Not all. The people who don't know live here. And the man is slung back corner every day one special. I didn't see you come every day and buy my special and a split.
The people who don't live here, you know, them are here and them not get it from them own thoughts, you know. And the people over there tell them what they want, tell them that, you know.
But why me I tell them, me never see one man can get a fight, so. Never see a next man in the world. That fight like where this a young.
You have to remember this, you know. Remember amount of things, you know, where creator come here so and do, you know, I see your mankind crucify. You think
exactly.
So who is we as normal human? If you not get the same chastisation.
Yes.
I go say something now, I don't want nobody vex. And listen good. I want him to blame my Prime Minister for. When he locked down in country, she make COVID kills enough away. The people no, me I tell you, man. They don't know some of them have that against him.
Look here now. Me back you 100% on that. 100%.
You don't know so they have that against him. Them I use that though. Make a wine up my glass. Them I use that.
Come out and bash him. When he lock down your country for protect we. Look how much bash him.
Yeah, man. If they make it kill off, enough away. I tell a man the dad truth.
Me understand it was sense. Me understand your frustration by what you say, but me not really go with it because it could have been me. It could have been anyone away.
Look where do you go somewhere? I mean, a man as a one wicked. He man in friend and lock down the country about storm. Where do you say storm come? Mr. Virgin, where you live? Jamaica? He say yes. Me say, you know, so I go on a Clarendon to St. Elizabeth. 200 did want in friend them sell in supermarket, friend them sell. Then say storm come. Me just kiss me teeth and cuss too bad on Antepo.
Illiterate, don't people.
Almighty God.
Yes, sir.
Look what go on a Clarendon to St. Elizabeth.
You know what really amazed me most when me watch back some video clipping at a burial. When this man, when it's time, lick off couple sheet of zinc off a man house, him and his family a pray and a sing up to a little baby under a bed. A pray and a sing. And when you look at entire house stop, come off. So that Angela says time I come to make supermarket sell out.
Yeah, that's the boy I say.
Yeah, man, let me say.
And that's the boy I say. I'm just cost too bad on Antepo, you know.
What they
never know some people could have wicked so.
Same way what they want me attack and me on a show and me say boy, me I tell somebody me upon it me say look how much ship and helicopter. The man say, what we need helicopter for? Well, I have to say to him, say me when if a man go to sea and him stranded out there we can't find him, you know, feel like that the government responsible for send go find him. Me say if
you're there in one parish right now, I mean in one critical accident and you have to transfer go out on the same helicopter go carry them.
Exactly. Not even
then have no sense, man.
Not even accident. Remember, say around 2 or 3 years ago, we have a piece of rain. They were cut off. I think in St. Elizabeth. We cut off some people almost a week, 2 weeks. The people are stranded by themselves in there, you know. And when we point out these things to the man, I said, "Why no? We never have to buy them." Yes, so what them people are
so if you train line them up fully right now and train start run again, a foolishness that too.
I mean, I go ask one next question. I say, if PNP say them a lead, why they never contest Northeast Center?
Not a lead, man. A talk.
You don't see I used to say no. But we don't know what one.
Just talk, man. All of that, man. As far as me concerned, I mean, hear people on our side and say, boy, I wonder if. I don't even feel like they're going to get 8 seat. I don't even think they're going to get 8 seat. As far as I see in Jamaica, me no feel at the last of them this.
People can't wicked someone. God
what a share live. If you're in a box and you're not ready to say nothing, please mute your mic. Oh, what a share the live, guys.
People can't wicked someone.
Look at Peter Bunting. When the people point out, when you point out the vessels them with the Prime Minister by and say, why, if you safeguard the waters, you know, him tell the people him say a madness, him should not fly so much ship, him don't give the fisherman the money for guard. And I remember most of the fishermen are them are carrying the drugs and the gun, them know, you know. And remember, my Minister of Security, you're going to say something like that. Instead of you buy ship to safeguard your own borders, you're going to say something like that. And people say, yeah, cheerleader them say, yeah, when him say it.
Why people can't wicked someone? Can't wicked.
I say government now do nothing. Look, me say, if me say this and me say it publicly, and if me judge, me ask to create a universe, if forgive me. But me say, 3/4 murder when I say happening in this country, PNP orchestrating.
But I believe you. Not even say believe you, I believe say I saw it got to. Yeah, man.
They want to blame the government. They want to blame the government. They say they have plans, and they can't work with the government to come up with a proper crime plan. Proper crime plan. All no one they say they have plan. And PNP they behind all of this.
Edward, so yes or no?
What crime in Jamaica and a government fault? You think a government fault? A security force fault?
Crime there everywhere. Crime there everywhere. It's just that we follow more local news more than overseas or international news. Crime there everywhere.
Of course.
The amount of vehicle where the man buy. The amount of vehicle. But then get last 5 years.
You can't say something.
Then I work. Then I
You
work.
can't say something. Can I say something? I was talking to somebody from Canada yesterday, and they said the maroon, they had some maroon in Canada that come from Trelawney, and they said those maroon are different maroon from the one that currently own. Very good people, decent people. It's not like the one that Curry own, you know. And when we look and see how them are behave and are go on, hey, me want to read yesterday, Gleaner. Let me tell you, them are try to muzzle people, but let me tell you, if we hold the peace and let God fight the battle, victory shall be mine. You hear? Let me tell you, no matter the dark clouds that go rock and do him, God is in the midst of the storm. You don't have to worry about Matthew Samuda. Him all right. God have him back. And God have Andrew back. So, anything them a say, anything them a do, I waste time. Believe me. Don't have to worry on yourself. You don't have to worry on yourself. When me look on the hospital, my cousin called me and he tell me, say, rather give offer him 200 chicken, he say no want it. Then give him 300,000 and then give him wire for make back in fence. Everything he say, he get tool, he get seeds, he get every God Almighty thing. And he turn around and give me pension. Some people never work for the day them born and them might get pension. What more the man can do? Come on, man. Wake up, Jamaica. Wake up. See the teacher them when they left go to England there. The teacher them will run we go to England. When they go to England, they no qualify them for work there. And when them pay them, one girl said, my nephew girlfriend say, she go back home at Jamaica. She'll go back and work at Jamaica.
Me not cut you. Me I gotta tell you something. Me I gotta tell you this. You see, CXC is good enough. CXC is a good subject for acquire, you know, but nothing beats City and Guilds subject because City and Guilds qualify over the entire world. CXC only require in a Caribbean and not enough people understand, and the government realize that every person who involved or enrolled in a hard trust right now is entitled to a mathematics English City and Guild exam, and that the people them figure capitalize for, especially younger set of people them, because the government put that in place to them.
You know you're a smart woman. I've been listening to your conversation. You're very smart. You're very smart, very articulate and smart. Because when the teacher them a runway, and when them runway and come at the foreign country, then go to England, and if you saw them pay them, the girl say when she calculate it, she'll go back her yard and she'll pay rent out of it, and then don't find boarding for them. He over news. He come over the news in the paper. Oh. So
me did that. Me have my CXC, but when me go hard and go start my courses, them are hard Me ensure say me do my city and guilds them and thank God me pass them because guess what? Me know say them subject they can make you work anywhere in our world. When CXC only require in a Caribbean countries.
City and Guilds is a England certificate, you know. Is a UK certificate. City and Guilds is a UK certificate.
Really?
Bigger than the regular certificate.
When me listen last night, the man of Finsack last night. Why? And the people them donate. Me I tell the labor right good, you know. You know how much $100,000 they donate to him, and them I try to get him in and get one house because him say he get notice. And now them start line out to come out on the program. We chap do last night. What? People come and donate all over the world. I donate to him. Yes. And when the man
what
tell
more
him,
than people expect the government to do? Under 8 years, what more the government can do with one party run this country for 20 years and they not do nothing? No people never know so them policies they could have put in place.
True, man.